chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's good kitchen. So we have a cabbage head right here, already chopped up. I chopped up everything instead of having a long video. We have our cabbage head chopped up. We also have our shrimp, our beef sausage, white onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, celery, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And you know we can't forget that JIFFY cornbread. So we're gonna make some smothered fried cabbage. So I'm using shrimp instead of bacon. And don't forget to hit that like button because you're gonna enjoy this video right here. I hope you enjoy this video right here. Let's get it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our sausage. Give a little brownie sausage. Give them a nice little brown. Now remember, you can use any type of sausage that you have a taste. Work with this way because I'm standing by myself right now. I want to get this video out the way while everybody's sleeping. So we'll give these sausages a couple more minutes and then we'll fish them out. Okay, so that'll look right there. That's what we're looking for. Nice little color to them. Now we'll add our shrimp. Go ahead and season it. Paprika. Garlic powder. Drop your mama. Cajun seasoning. About a tablespoon of each seasoning. It's just way good with his eyes, like eyeball it. Mix everything in. That smells good. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and fish these shrimps out. Give them another 20 seconds, and we'll fish these out. Alright, so we'll add another 1/3 cup of oil, vegetable oil. All that flavor right there, we want all that at the bottom. We want all that flavor. Okay, so we'll add our red pepper celery. Woo! That's what we want. Right there. And all that flavor. So we'll give these bell pepper and celery another minute. Alright, you can always eyeball your celery and bell pepper. Remember, it's your taste buds to your satisfaction. If you're satisfied on how they look, there you go right there. Okay, so we'll add our onions. You know it don't take long for your onions to cook. A little longer for your celery and bell pepper. So that's why I place the bell pepper and celery first. Mix them around. So get out another 30 seconds. So. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and add our cabbage. So this is one cabbage here. We ain't gonna use the whole thing. We'll use half of it. The other half for something different. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sweat down some, simmer down. You don't have to add no water if you don't want. Now remember your cabbage, you know, it comes together with the flavor and it adds its own water, or it creates its own water. I'm gonna put the top on there, and I'm gonna let this simmer down some. still have a lot of cabbage left over. Well, half anyway. Okay, so that's how we looking. Some of these pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. Italian. Garlic powder. Slap your mama. Paprika. I wanted to wait for it to cook down some before I started the seasoning. Just want to keep that flavor. I like for my cabbage to have a nice little crunch to them. That smells good. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. And our sausage. We have our Cajun fried smothered cabbage. One more add on. I have a tablespoon of sugar. You can add this if you want, but if you don't add it. Go ahead and mix this in. I'm gonna put the top on there for another 10 minutes. We'll put this good on a nice plate. You know, I have to show it one more again. Like that. Fire. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our Creole smothered fried cabbage. That delicious Jiffy cornbread. Look at it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I put my sweat and tears into this video, y'all. So I hope you give it a thumbs up. The food is delicious, fire. And like I say, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice.